decorators with parameter is similar to normal decorators. So we are going to define a function named decorator function, and let's put function as the argument. So we'll print here inside function and then let's define a new inner function. Let's put the non-keyword argument args and keyword arguments double star kwargs. Let's print here we are inside inner function, let's print here one more statement like decorated the function. So you can write more, so I am going to call function from here. Let's return inner. So we are not using the parenthesis, so let's put here decorator function, and now we will define new function name func2. Let's print here, we'll print inside actual function. So now let's call the func2, okay, func underscore 2. So you can see here inside function, then inside inner function, and then decorated the function, and finally we have printed inside actual function. So this can be done in another way like this, decorator underscore function, okay, and then we will simply put the argument as func2. So we can pass the function also as the argument, and then finally we'll put the parenthesis. So here there is an error in this line, it is fun, okay, decorator fun. So let's run. So you can see here the same thing has been printed by this line also. So now we'll define a new function, let's name it as decorator. Here also we'll put non-keyword argument args and double star keyword arguments. So here also I am going to print inside function, okay. Let's define a new inner function, let's put the argument as function. So here I am going to print the same thing inside inner function. So in the next statement let's put it as, so here let's use the keyword arguments, okay. Let's put here I like, and then we'll put a key for keyword argument args. Let's put the key as like, okay. Now let's put the function. So we'll return the inner function from here, return inner. So now let's put here @decorator, and here let's put the like as, so let's put the value as YouTube, and then let's define a new function my underscore function. So here we'll print inside actual function. So let's run the program. So here I have to use kwargs. So let's run it now. So you can see I like YouTube and inside actual function.